Hey everyone, welcome back to Digital Finance Insights. Today, we're diving into an exciting new cryptocurrency that's been making waves in the digital finance world, Racoon Coin. Could this be the next big thing? Stick around as we explore its features, potential, and what sets it apart from the rest. So, what exactly is Racoon Coin? At its core, Racoon Coin is built on a robust blockchain technology that promises enhanced security, lightning-fast transaction speeds, and scalability. These features are crucial for any cryptocurrency looking to establish itself in a competitive market. Its security features are top-notch, leveraging advanced encryption protocols to safeguard transactions and user data. This makes Racoon Coin a reliable choice for both investors and everyday users concerned about cybersecurity. First, its speed. Transactions with Racoon Coin are processed swiftly, thanks to its efficient blockchain architecture. Whether you're transferring funds or making a purchase, Racoon Coin ensures quick confirmation times without compromising on security. Next up, scalability. As the cryptocurrency ecosystem continues to grow, scalability becomes a critical factor. Racoon Coin is designed to handle increasing transaction volumes and user demand seamlessly, making it a versatile option for future growth. Beyond its technical prowess, Racoon Coin is also gaining traction for its practical applications. It's integrated into various digital platforms and services, from online payments to decentralized finance or DeFi applications. This versatility opens doors for widespread adoption and real-world utility. The strength of any cryptocurrency lies in its community and ecosystem. Racoon Coin boasts a vibrant community of users and developers, actively contributing to its growth and development. This collaborative approach fosters innovation and ensures that Racoon Coin remains adaptable to evolving market trends. Now let's talk about the big question. Does Racoon Coin have the potential to be the next big thing in crypto? Well, the interest from investors and the broader crypto community certainly suggests so. Its unique features and strong fundamentals position Racoon Coin as a promising contender in the digital currency landscape. In conclusion, Racoon Coin represents more than just another cryptocurrency. With its advanced technology, practical applications, and growing community, it's paving the way for a new era of digital finance. Whether it becomes the next big thing remains to be seen, but one thing is clear: Racoon Coin is definitely one to watch. What are your thoughts on Racoon Coin? Do you think it has what it takes to succeed in the crypto market? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Digital Finance Insights for more insights on cryptocurrencies and tech trends, and hit the bell icon for notifications. Thanks for watching and see you next time.